man.
How's it going?
You ready to go?
Let's do it.
It'll be about an hour drive over there. Basically, we're gonna look for some lush or some mulch or whatever it's called. Because the backyard of the unit's there's a bunch of dirt and stuff. So just to make it a little more comfortable for the tenant, we'll put some brown mulch stuff in there. I think this might be it right here. $3, $3.48. I don't even know how much I need. We'll see. I could probably start off with like, let's see, I need to do some math. I think it's like 14 by 10.
Guys, can I help you with anything?
Yeah, I'm trying to convert 140 square foot to cubic.
So we got the view too.
Oh yeah, it's for my channel, for my YouTube channel.
Got me. Yes, okay. Have you on property.
Oh, you can? Oh, okay. Okay. Can you help me with the calculations then? If you offered help?
So I can try.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Turn that on, please.
Red one. Looks nicer. Red mulch. Then you have your basic brown one. Just trying to think because the wood I have on there as a wall is kind of like red. So having red with red might not look good, but it should be fine. So we got out of there pretty fast. I mean, there's not so many people here right now during the coronavirus. Hopefully this will make the backyard look a little better. And I do plan to put some mulch on around the outer part of the house, so that the tenant could really enjoy the backyard. how's it going, man? Welcome to my new renovated unit here in Sacramento, North Old Sac in California. This was definitely a very rundown place, and I'm really excited that it's been now finished. This unit has a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and it's a duplex as well. So this side was vacant when I purchased the property. The other side is being used with the tenant that I inherited, and hopefully as the other tenant moves out, whenever that happens, then I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing I did here to the other side. So let's go check it out. So this is the living room. These are all new floors, new textured walls, new paint, new recessed lights as well. And everything here is been renovated. Baseboards, the sidings, the actual blinds. So this is the living room. It's pretty spacious. We have outlets on every wall, which is very convenient. This is the kitchen, and we completely renovated the kitchen as well. All new cabinets. The appliances, a few of them were new, the fridge was not, and definitely really enjoyed this part of the renovation. As we go into this side, this is going to be where the laundry mat will be set up. When we first started to do the renovations, the exhaust of the laundry was coming out the door. It was so tacky, and every contractor, every inspector laughed because whoever was living here, they had the exhaust coming out the door. So what they had to do with my guys is that they did an actual exhaust through the wall here, and then go up through the wall and outside. And let's come over here on this side. So this is a little setup here. We put a wall here with the door because this is where the water heater is located. This was exposed, so we said, okay, why don't we just enclose it so that it was a little bit more presentable and a lot cleaner. So this will be a perfect scenario for a double-decker washer and dryer electric outlets are here, plug it on there, so it's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and these are actual granite countertops. I also installed a garbage disposal because, at least for me, I love garbage disposals. Nothing gets clogged, everything just gets cut in pieces. A dishwasher as well, excellent. You save water, and then at the same time, it comes out really nice and clean. So let's go over to the rooms. Well, first let's go over to the bathroom. The bathroom was also fully renovated as well. So here it is. Fully renovated. This whole thing was nasty. Floors, a new tub, new walls, lighting, new fan, paint, vanity, everything here. Even this too. We added this as well. This was a dead space, so we wanted to kind of give the tenants some places to put their towels and whatever they need as well. So it's a brand new kitchen. I mean, a brand new bathroom. Yeah, I'm really excited about it too, so it's definitely going to be a great experience for them as well. So let's go check out the rooms. So it's a 2-bedroom. They all have recessed lights, so if they want to read and stuff, this could dim as well, which is really cool. This is facing the street, and yeah, everything was renovated. The walls, ceiling, floors. The closets, we added these sliding doors as well. And the closets are renovated as well, so it's nice and spacious, so they could put a little stick in there and hang their clothes and stuff like that. So we're really excited for them about that. As well with this other room as well. Basically the same thing. They're both exactly the same. They're 14 by 14 or 14 by 12. Really nice, spacious rooms, which my my property manager was really excited about because they're big. You know, if they have children, you could have 2 beds here. You know, and they could really maximize the room here in this property. So I'm pretty excited about it. Why don't we go ahead and let's go towards the backyard and let's go through this way. And the backyard was a whole different scenario because the backyard had a shed that was like made very, very poorly. It was junky. The deck was bad. It was moldy. It was falling apart. So we had to put a new deck. We had to remove that old shed. We had to put a new fence as well. The other side of the fence is not done yet because I ran out of time because of the virus too. We had to be locked down for months, and now the tenant's coming next week. So on YouTube, we had to put all this stuff in here. So this is the new deck, all redwood. Everything is redwood, so it'll last for years to come. And this is a new fence as well that my brother and I installed. You notice it's like high up here because the deck's high, and then we kind of just did like a little bit of steps down. What's left to do is we're gonna put mulch all here to make it look really nice and enjoyable for the tenant to come by. So I'm just really excited about that. All this here is new. All of the actual gutters were installed. Brand new gutters as well. This structure here is new as well, so they had to remake this because this was just really bad. And just really excited that all this has been done. Painted, everything has been painted, redone. So the only thing that's left is that fence right there. If you imagine how ugly that fence is, how it looked right here. It was atrocious. It was really bad. So we're gonna knock down the fence maybe in a couple months, redo it, make it look really nice. I ran out of time because next week the tenant's gonna move in, so just gonna do this little bit of patching here so that the tenant can really enjoy their stay here. So why don't we go ahead and get working, and hopefully what it looks now will look better after we put the mulch. Perfect. 154 Sacramento. All right, let's roll out.